They went into battle without shouting orders, without written codes, and without the enemy ever understanding them. 1942, World War II, the Pacific Front. The U.S. military faced a deadly problem. Enemy forces were breaking American radio codes in hours. Operations were collapsing. The solution came from an unexpected place: the Navajo Nation. Young Navajo men were recruited to create a code. Not written, not encrypted on paper. Spoken, in their native language. The code was never written down. There was no dictionary. Each word carried hidden meaning. A turtle meant a tank. A bird meant an aircraft. Messages were sent in seconds and decoded instantly. The Japanese never broke it. Not once. Not during the entire war. The unit worked under strict secrecy. Many were sworn to silence for decades. Even their families never knew. Their code helped win battles and save thousands of lives. The war ended. The silence continued. Stories like this aren't easy to find. They take time to uncover. Follow and subscribe. Your support keeps them coming.